Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are very good. I am Khushpreet, your class teacher. As you know, we are doing the theme that is shapes. And yesterday we have done the topic that is circle. And today I am going to teach you our next topic that is triangle. Today we'll talk about triangle, sides of triangle and types of triangle. Now let's begin. Triangle. A triangle is a shape or a part of two-dimensional space. It has three straight sides and three vertices. The three angles of a triangle always add up to 180 degree. It is a polygon with the least possible number of sides. Triangles are shaped with three sides. A triangle types depends upon the length of sides and the size of its corners. There are three types of triangle based on the length. First one is equilateral triangle. In this, all sides are equal. Next one is isosceles triangle. In this, two sides are equal. And next one is scalene triangle. In this, three sides are unequal. Okay, students? Now, after this, let's play an activity. Students, you play this activity with your parents. Firstly, you sit properly around a sand pit with your parents. And after that, on sand, you draw different shapes like circle shape, square shape, rectangle shape, triangle shape. Okay? After that, you tell your parents about which shape you made on the sand pit. Okay? Moreover, you also relate these shapes with real life objects like pillow, cookies, chips. Okay, like this. Parents, you pick up some objects and after that you show these objects to your children and ask him or her to recognize that object, and after that tell the shape of the object. Okay. Now students, you open page number 24 of your Icon Explorer, book number 2. Here you see in this picture, you write the number 3. Okay. Firstly, trace the number 3 and after that without tracing write the number 3. Okay. Now I recite a rhyme for you, that is Baba Black Sheep. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my dame, one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Now again. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Okay. Now students, after this you have to tell the sides of the triangle. Parents, you hold any object that is triangle in shape like this. This is a triangle shape and this is a slice of pizza. Hold this with your hands and show the edges of the triangle, okay, with your fingers. After that, you ask about your children and tell you about the three sides of the triangle. Okay. Now, next I recite a rhyme, that is rhyme on number 3. Around the tree, and that's the way we make 3. Now again, around the tree, and that's the way we make 3. Okay. Now students, you show the number 3 with your fingers like this. This is a 3. THREE 3. Okay. Now open page number 25 of your Icon Explorer book number 2. In this page you see different things, and from that things you have to identify that are 3 in number. Okay. After you identify, you tick that column that contains 3 things. Okay. Now students, move forward towards the worksheet, that is number 7. In this worksheet, you see various things like balls, candles, books and bags. Okay. And all these things are different in number, and you have to circle only that thing. Those are 3 in number. Now after this, now trace the number 3 and also write the number 3. Okay. Now I again recite a rhyme, that is make the shape. This is square, this is square. How can you tell? How can you tell? It has 4 sides, all the same size. It is a square, it is a square. This is a circle, this is a circle. How can you tell? How can you tell? It goes round and round, no end can be found. It is a circle, it is a circle. This is a triangle, this is a triangle. How can you tell? How can you tell? It only has 3 sides that join to make 3 points. It is a triangle, it is a triangle. This is a rectangle, this is a rectangle. How can you tell? How can you tell? It has 2 short sides and it has 2 long sides. It is a rectangle, it is a rectangle. Now again. This is a square, this is a square. How can you tell? How can you tell? It has 4 sides, all the same size. It is a square, it is a square. This is a circle, this is a circle. How can you tell? How can you tell? It goes round and round, no end can be found. It is a circle, it is a circle. This is a triangle, this is a triangle. How can you tell? How can you tell? It only has 3 sides that join to make 3 points. It is a triangle, it is a triangle. This is a rectangle, this is a rectangle. How can you tell? How can you tell? It has 2 short sides and it has 2 long sides. It is a rectangle, it is a rectangle. Okay, students? Now, after this, parents, you give your wards a sheets of paper. On that sheets, you draw different shapes like this, like circle shape, square shape, rectangle shape and triangle shape. Okay, and after that you told him or her to draw these shapes. Firstly, draw in small size, and after that draw the same in bigger size. Okay, now students, your homework is to do page number 24, 25 of your I Can Explorer book number 2, and also do the sandpit activity, and after that make different shapes on sheets. And you also learn both the rhymes, that is Baba Black Sheep and make the shapes. Okay students, stay home, stay healthy. Thank you. Have a good day.